In primetime news this evening, on pause, push to establish Portmore's new border halted amid imminent local government election. Safety breach, attack at yet another municipal corporation property leaves one councillor nursing injuries. And local government minister and some mayors on collision course over running of corporations.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Loeb.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, it's Wednesday, so I'll have your latest gas price and also some more from the business and consumer confidence surveys conducted for the fourth quarter last year.
Thanks, Javon. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Anthony. Well, it seems that the goalpost has shifted again in the JFF election process. It has deepened some more. And the inexperienced West Indies, they're putting up a fight against the strong Aussies down under. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what issues do you consider when voting in local government elections?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.